Okay, once again, welcome everyone to English Vocabulary 1, Unit 16, Daily Routines, video number 3. For video number 3, we'll be going over the homework. So for the homework, I've attached two files for you. One of them is in Microsoft Word, Unit 16, Daily Routines, right? And for the other one, it will be this one. Unit 16 daily routine. Both it's the same one. This one is in PDF. The other one is in Microsoft Word. All right, so I think I'll go over the PDF form or the Microsoft Word form. It's the same. We'll go with Microsoft Word because it's a little bit easier. Some people prefer PDF, so that's why I included a PDF file, and some people prefer a Microsoft Word document, so I've included a Microsoft Word document. So for today, we'll be doing a Microsoft Word document. For the homework, whenever you do it, please put your name, your class, and your Google Classroom because I cannot match your name to your Google Classroom name. For 16.1, we are going to find 7 expressions with have and with do. So for example, we have a noun and we do a noun. So example, have a shower, right? We can have, I guess, dinner, right? So whenever you have to have and you do a noun. For the next part, we just do a noun and we do both of this comes from the reading for the PDF file. It's going to be in this file right here. You're going to find it, a have and a do. For example, if you look, see, have a sleep. This is one of them, right? Have a late night. So you go back to your Microsoft Word document and you just put those. Have a late night. All right. And for the next part, it's the same with a do. So you go back to your reading right here and you look for a do. It will be in one, it will be somewhere right here. You see? Do some of the ironing. Do some of the shopping, all right? Continuing with 16.2, you are going to match the words on the left with the words on the right? So whenever you see this one, you get up, right? And you see this. See, we say get up early. Remember, all of this comes from your reading right here. All right, so you try to find all of the answers to the reading right here. For number 2, fall, what? What do you guys think for number 2 is? So for number 2, it'll be fall asleep. And then you just write right here. Since this is H, you just write H. Fall asleep. So continue this for the rest with the rest of this. All right? And then for this part right here, one word is missing in each sentence. What is it and where does it go? Okay, so for number 1, it's already given in the book, right? Remember, it says it's a do. I want you to put the word do right here, highlight it, right? Select it and paint it red. So this will be easier for you to read and it'll be easier for me to look at. I will do number 2 for you, all right? So for number 2, one word is missing. So whenever you read this, one word is missing and you are going to put the word in here. So for number 2, it is wake. Oh, right? My mother wake My mother wake me up around 7:30. Then I get up about 7:45, right? Remember with this one, right? Remember this is one person, right? So for the verb, we have to add an S. Wakes. If you don't know it, right? If you look at this, see? It's highlighted in blue. That means it's a grammar mistake. For grammar mistake, you right click and see it tells you my mother usually wakes. See, it's easy. Even with this, whenever it's blue, see, if it's blue, just highlight it, right click it, and it will tell you, right? See, it's easy. So that way you don't make no mistake. So with this, do not forget to highlight the word and paint it red. All right? So please continue to do the rest of exercises by yourself. For the next part right here, you are going to complete the dialogue with a word or phrase verb from the opposite page in each gap. So for this, you are going to look at the reading right here and put a phrasal verb right here. We could go out blank of eating here. So what do you think? So for number 2, instead. This is the answer for you guys. I'll do number 2 for you. This will be instead. We could go out instead of eating here. Alright, so just do this. Fill it in for the rest of the files right here. And for number 16.5, over to you. You are going to find the facts from the opposite page that are same. See, similar means the same, right? So it's the same in your routine. And 3 that are different, and then you'll just complete the table. What do you do the same, all right? And what do you do differently? So let's look at this, okay? If you do the reading, right? Look at this. So something for they do the same, and then you do that are different. I usually have a shower when I get home from college, right? So if you do this, if you do this, then for you, you can just put it in the same, right? For me, I do different, right? I take a shower when I go to sleep, right? How about something that I do that is the same as the reading? So look at the reading, right? I brush my teeth, or see? So for number 2, for the reading, something that I do the same, right? I brush my teeth. Alright. If it goes over here, just hit delete and hit delete, and it will just come back right here. We're just taking away some of the spaces right here because I had to tab over here to make this a little bit more nicer. Alright, so just find 3 items that you do are the same and 3 that are different. Okay, so this is about it for the homework. Remember, when you submit the homework, let me see, I included all of these files, right? When you do the homework, I just need you to submit this one, or no, excuse me, wrong one. I need you to submit this one or this one only, right? Do not submit more than one, because when you submit a lot of documents, it just clogs up the drive, right? So if you're going to write it in Microsoft Word, just write it in here and then just submit this one. If you are going to do it in PDF, just do it in PDF and just submit it. For the PDF form, it is the same. Just write your sentence right here. The only difference is in PDF is 16.3. For 16.3, because we can't add it in here, you just write the verb down right here. You don't need to show it to me where you put it, because remember for number 2, I gave you the answer to number 2, wakes. Alright, so for the PDF file, just write the verb right here, wakes. Do it for the rest of this. And for this, you just remember H, right? See, so you have H. Remember we have a, was it late night? There are a lot of this, so please try not to try to have a different answer from mine, alright? And for this one, I'm not sure if your sentence will fit right here, right? I brush my teeth. Right? I do the same. Something that I do different, I take a shower when I go to sleep. See, so this is what I do different from them. So just put the same, you do something that you do that is the same, and something that are different, all right? Okay, so just complete this and submit the homework. If you have any questions, please feel free to give me a call on WhatsApp. Until then, I hope that you guys will submit the homework to me by Friday. So I'll give you guys until Friday, because with Saturday and Sunday, I'll be grading the homework and submitting your homework grades to the office. Alright, until then, I will see you guys in the next video.